Hello, namaste, namaskar, assalamu alaikum, adab, and this is me, Muhammad Zishan, and today I'm going to make you understand how to debate. And this is a big question of those who have started learning English. For English learners, this is a big question, and how to debate and how to start debating, because in starting they have lots of questions, and how can I debate with other people. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how can you debate and very effectively, and how can you build up your confidence with the help of your debate. That's very important. So let's get started. If you know how to debate, definitely you can improve your 80% English. Yes, really, more than 70-80% English you can improve, and you can also develop your confidence, fluency, and so many things, etc. if you know how to debate. So in this video, the first one, that is never agree with any point. Never agree with any point. You will tell, why should I not agree with the point if it is acceptable? That's very important. If you are learning English and if you have started learning English, and how can you just overcome your communication skill, how can you improve that? So here, don't agree with any point, even though the point is acceptable. So what you have to do, you have to do one thing, that is try to cut that point. Like if he or she has shared any topic, any opinion or any point, and if that is acceptable, so you have to just cut that point. Like for example, if the point is acceptable, you have to tell, I really appreciate your points, I really appreciate your point, but if you are telling that for UPSC examination we need degree, without degree we cannot get admission. Like your debate is going on, knowledge versus degree, and if the point is acceptable, you have to tell, I really appreciate your points, I really respect your point, but then your reason. And even though keep telling the things and the point will come, definitely you will get a very authentic reason after some time. Now secondly, you have to focus, that is, when somebody is sharing opinion, so you have to ask a question. Like this point you can understand is a very important point. Those who don't know how to debate, so here you have to ask a question after sharing opinion. So like somebody has shared opinion, so you have to ask a question. Do not share your opinion. Do not share your opinion. Like if, and one more thing, that is like he or she shared like more than 2-3 points. So don't say that point which is very powerful or strong. Don't just put any, don't say anything about that point. But the point is very weak, which one? Just tell and ask a question regarding that point. अब फिर उसके बाद ना आपको चारों तरफ से उसको घेरना है, कि सामने वाले को फंसाना है, कि जो उसने थोड़ा सा वीक पॉइंट उसने शेयर किया है उसने, तो उस पॉइंट को ले करके तो वो उसको चारों तरफ से धीरे धीरे उसको फंसाना है, ताकि वो निकल ना पाए. So you have to focus on this point as well. So ask a question after sharing opinion. Now next, that is provoking. Provoking is also very important, because when you are just sharing your opinion and you are also asking question, very very neutral. Do not neutral, because debate is debate. And you can be calm, but do not neutral, and you try to provoke, because you are learning English and you are in the phase of learning your targeted language. You have to provoke. Debate, in debate you can provoke, that's completely allow, you can provoke. And and how can you provoke this thing? You can provoke with your voice modulation, and even though with body modulation. Like she has shared or he has shared any point regarding love marriage versus arranged marriage. So any point like in love marriage, or he or she said that she is saying that love marriage is beautiful, or he is saying love marriage is everything right now. So here just you tell, you don't know, you are supporting love marriage and you don't have data. This is the data of Supreme Court, and what said that, more than 90% divorce just because of love marriage. And right now you are just promoting love marriage, so you have to make that person hyper, then he can be out of his point, and he will come out of his point, and you will win your debate. You will win definitely. And this is the thing. And because winning the if you are learning English and in your friend circle, so do not think you are going to just win. You have to win yourself. If you can win yourself, no matter you have won, your team won that match or not, that's okay, but you have to win yourself, because you are learning English, and if you do not agree and if you are not satisfied with yourself, no matter your team won that. But winning, that's also important. Last one, that is key words, key points. Last one, remember this thing: do not prepare your whole paragraph. Try to just write keywords. For example, your debate is knowledge versus degree, so write down only keywords. Like keywords can be your UPSC, this is a keyword. Like UPSC, for you need degree. Without degree you cannot get admission for UPSC examination, so degree is important. So likewise, so try to write only keywords, and after that writing keywords, prepare and practice your keywords and speak inside keywords a lot, because making your paragraph and going in your class and just copy all the things, that is not big deal. Anybody can do like that. Even though a small child also can, his memory more than you is very stronger than you, so he can also just remember and just put over there. So try to write only keywords, then go in your class and speak, because when you will enter the class, other points also will come in your mind while speaking the keywords. Thank you so much. This was the video about how to debate. On which topic just you want to watch a video next, so let us know in the comment section below in the video. Thank you so much for watching again.